This is just a quick overview of the domestic and international abducted or missing child alert system. Amber Alerts are activated in the most serious child abduction cases. The goal of an Amber Alert is to use the ears and eyes of the public to help law enforcement search for and safely recover a child who is in immediate danger. These alerts are broadcast through radio, television, road signs, cell phones, and other data-enabled devices. AMBER stands for America's Missing Broadcast Emergency Response, and the system originated in the United States. It was created in honor of Amber Renee Hagerman, a girl who was abducted in late 1995 and later found murdered in early 1996. She is featured on the screen throughout this video. The Amber Alert system is used throughout Canada, District of Columbia, Europe, Indian Country, Netherlands, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, United States of America. Countries around the world have created similar alert systems. The ones I was able to source information for are listed at the end of this video. Each country has adapted the system to fit its own needs and requirements, but the goal remains the same. The following are the general government code criteria for an Amber Alert in North America. Some variations may apply in your particular area, so please check with your local law enforcement for more detailed information. For the other countries, please check with the law enforcement in that country. So, one condition, there are confirmed abduction by a witness or a child has been taken by anyone, including but not limited to a non-custodial parent or guardian. Another one is the victim is 17 years of age or younger, or an individual with a proven mental or physical disability. Another one, the child is in immediate danger of serious bodily injury or death. Another one, the information is available that, if presented to the general public, it could assist in the safe recovery of the victim. Once law enforcement has been notified about an abducted child, they will decide whether or not to issue an Amber Alert based on their Amber Alert program criteria. Once issued, the alerts are distributed by broadcasters and transportation agencies. They are also sent to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, which redistribute the alerts to a network of secondary distributors that includes internet service providers, digital billboards, truckers, and others. Amber Alert broadcasts have a unique audible signal and vibration. It is intended to indicate the urgency of the message and make the alert accessible to all people, including the hearing or visually impaired. The message will contain a limited number of characters. In the case of an Amber Alert broadcast, the message would indicate that an Amber Alert has been issued for the area and relevant information about the child, and if possible, the abductor and/or vehicles used in the abduction. The alerts are sent on a special wireless carrier channel called cell broadcast. They are not affected by congestion on the voice or SMS text channels. The alerts are transmitted simultaneously to all mobile devices within range of the cellular carrier towers in the affected areas. The system does not need to know your cellular mobile number, and it does not track your whereabouts. It simply broadcasts the alert, and any mobile devices that can hear the alert will display it to the user. Wireless customers will not be charged for the receipt of these messages. If a wireless customer wants to opt out of receiving the alerts, wireless customers should contact their individual wireless service providers. If you receive an Amber Alert message in your area, you can consult local media or internet for more in-depth details about the Amber Alert. If you locate a matching description for the Amber Alert, you are advised to call 911 or the emergency number for the country you are in with the location so the authorities can take the next steps necessary. Amber Alerts will not be issued for the following cases as they do not meet the requirements: runaways, missing children in which there is no evidence of foul play or the child is not in danger of serious bodily harm or death, custody disputes where the child's life or physical health is not reasonably believed to be in immediate danger. So as stated, the various Amber Alerts for other countries are as follows. 2 countries have a country name. 2 countries have alert by Facebook. 1 country has a platform, and 18 countries have unique names. Facebook users in North America can visit www.facebook.com/Amber Alert and like the page to receive Amber Alerts in your newsfeed. Facebook also automatically notifies users near the location of the Amber Alert. And Twitter users in North America can follow @Amber Alert to receive rapid Amber Alert notifications to your Twitter feed and share the alert to your followers. Safe travels, everyone, and let's work together to keep loved ones together. Enjoy your day.